Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about FMG June 2021 recall questions. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Is from Arise Academy. This PDF is very helpful. It helped me also for December FMG. So the first question is identify the muscle marked X in the given image is genioglossus. Next question, arrange A, B, C, D in sequence. A is caudate nucleus, B is thalamus, C is lentiform nucleus, and D is external capsule. Next question, injury to bulbar urethra leads to extravasation of urine in all except. The correct answer is D, perineal pouch. Next question, all of the following are correct except. The answer is D, posterior circumflex humeral artery. Next question, corticospinal tract crosses at. The answer is lower medulla. Next question, sutures was done to the finger during the surgery procedure after the patient complains that he is unable to flex the middle finger. This can be due to injury of which of the following nerve? The answer is median nerve, which is also called Lebrar's nerve. Root value of median nerve C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Next question, a newborn present with a congenital anomaly of cleft lip, which is the embryological development defect. The correct answer is non-fusion of medial nasal process and maxillary process. Next question, a patient came to the physician with complaints of chest pain. Which nerve will cause pain? The correct answer is B, intercostal brachial nerve cause pain. Next question, a patient of COVID-19 requires oxygen therapy. Which of the following cylinders should be used to provide oxygen to this patient? The answer is A, oxygen, black body with white shoulders, pressure 2000 psi, 140 kg per centimeter square. Color of cylinders are very important for FMG exam or for NET PG. For NET PG also. Next question, a COPD patient in the ICU was on oxygen therapy with mask with 2 liters of oxygen. He was found to be hypoventilating. His PCO2 on blood gas analysis was 64 mm mercury. Which of the following should be done? The answer is start BiPAP. Next question, a young patient underwent surgery under general anesthesia with oxygen, nitrogen oxide and desflurane. Just after extubation, the patient started to desaturate. On auscultation, there are crepitations. What can be the most common cause? The correct answer is C, negative pressure pulmonary edema. It happened because of laryngospasm, upper airway obstruction due to secretions, and the treatment is by giving positive pressure breath and suxamethonium to exubate secretions. Next question, which of the following anesthetic agent is best for cardiac patient? The answer is B, isoflurane. It minimally decreases carbon oxide. Next question, which of the following structure is not encountered during epidural anesthesia? The answer is D, dura mater. This question is also very important. It asked many times. Next question, in the endotracheal tube, what determines the resistance? The answer is B, diameter. Next question, a patient was given halothane for general anesthesia. He developed rigidity and hyperthermia. These symptoms are most likely due to which ion? The correct answer is C, calcium. Hyperthermia due to increase in calcium. Malignant hyperthermia. Next question, macrocytic anemia case with normal methylmalonyl with increased level of homocysteine. Diagnosis. The correct answer is B9 deficiency. Next question, a newborn develops vomiting, irritability, lethargy several days after birth. His mother states that his diapers smell like burnt sugar. Lab diagnosis confirmed the diagnosis. The patient is started on the appropriate dietary restrictions with subsequent improvement in his symptoms. The defective enzyme responsible for the patient's condition is a branched chain keto acid dehydrogenase, burnt sugar, smell like seen in maple syrup urine disease. Next question. A 28-year-old male has undergone surgery where wound debridement was performed and wound was not healing. Which one of the following vitamin deficiency is related with delayed wound healing is vitamin C. Next question. Lisk-Nyhan syndrome is reported due to enzyme defect of hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. Next question. Which of the following protein doesn't have a quaternary structure? The answer is D, myoglobin. Is 8-month-old child presents with hypoglycemia in between feeding. On examination, there was hepatomegaly and liver was palpable 1 cm below subcostal margin. The child also present with lactoacidosis, ketosis and xanthomas on the buttocks. What is the most likely enzyme deficiency leading to this? The answer is glucose 6-phosphatase. This is the table of glycogen storage diseases. I will make another video for this. Next question. A newborn develops vomiting, irritability and lethargy. Several days after birth, his mother states that his diaper smells like burnt sugar. We already discussed this question. Next question. A boy presents with the stretchable skin and flexible fingers which he can reach his forearm following what's the most likely condition? The answer is Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Next question. Most common type of collagen seen in fibrous cartilage of joints? The answer is type B, type 2 collagen. Next question. A 73-year-old woman comes to the physician because of 2-month history of diffuse weakness and tingling of her arms and legs. Neurological examination shows weakness of the extensor and flexor muscles of the lower extremities. Sensation to vibration and position is decreased in all extremities. This patient most likely has a deficiency of which of the following vitamins? The answer is vitamin B12D. Next question. Xeroderma pigmentosa, the type of DNA repair defect. The answer is A, nucleotide excision repair. This question also asked many times. Next question. In December FMG 2021, they asked about galactosemia also. Next question. A 25-year-old female presents to the medicine OPD with acute ear abdominal pain for which almost exploratory laparotomy was done. He is also accompanied by neuropsychiatric symptoms and the urine sample collected turns to black with time in room temperature. Most likely diagnosis is acute intermittent porphyria. Another diagnosis of this question is alkaptonuria. Next question. Storage form of neutral lipids in our liver is C, triglycerides. Next question. A 25-year male presents with hypercholesterolemia and increased risk of heart disease. His elder brother also had similar findings and succumbed to this. Workup reveals a congenital LDL receptor deficiency. The most likely defect will be primary familial hypercholesterolemia. Next question. Which of the following is a cofactor for glutathione peroxidase? The answer is C, selenium. Next question. A 35-year-old male returns back to India from China. On immigration, he was found to have slightly elevated temperature. One of the following screening tests was used for this. The answer is real-time RT-PCR. Next question. One question was also in the FMG December 2021 that chest X-ray for the COVID-19. And then one question was also there for the kwashiorkor and marasmus. The answer was kwashiorkor, sugar baby syndrome. Next question. Marasmus is reported in Indian children mainly due to decreased intake of protein. This table is very important. I will make another video for this. Next question, which vitamin deficiency leads to cognitive impairment in old age? The answer is A, vitamin A. Next question, an alcoholic patient with neurological symptoms, there is deficiency of vitamin. The answer is A, vitamin B1, thiamine deficiency. Next question, a patient presented with the following lesion, likely diagnosis is vitiligo, segmental vitiligo. Next question, a female patient presented with the multiple warty lesions around vulva. The lesions are gradually increasing. On examination, they are soft and sessile and didn't bleed on touch. What is the likely diagnosis? The answer is A, condyloma acuminata. One question was also there in FMG December about HPV 6 and HPV 11. And there was also HPV 18 also present in the options. Next question, a female student presented with urticaria following intake of seafood. She wants a non-sedating drug since this in her exam time, which is preferred antihistamine for this patient is B, fexofenadine. Next question, what could be the diagnosis for this image where exclamation mark is seen in trichoscopy? The answer is alopecia areata. Next question, a 70-year-old patient developed the following lesions over face since 2 years. What is the diagnosis? The answer is basal cell carcinoma. Next question, a young lady present with lacy lesions in the oral cavity. What is the diagnosis? The answer is lichen planus. Oral lichen planus asymptomatic, complain of intolerance of spicy food, white reticulate lacy pattern on the buccal mucosa, tongue and gingival erosive gingivitis. Next question, patient presented with skin lesions and crusting. What kind of organisms cause this lesion? The answer is A, gram-positive cocci, which is Streptococcus aureus. Next question, which of the following is an unpaired cartilage of larynx? The answer is B, thyroid. This question was also asked many times. Next question, which of the following laryngeal cartilage doesn't calcify with age? The answer is C, epiglottis. Epiglottis is a fibroelastic soft cartilage which not ossify with the age. Next question, a 40-year-old trumpet blower has developed a right-sided swelling in upper part of neck. The swelling keeps changing in size. The image shown in X-ray find the appropriate diagnosis of the condition. The answer is laryngocele, which is seen in musicians. Yeah, trumpet blower. Next question, which of the following is the most common site of head and neck cancer in India? Is C, oral cavity. Next question, identify the structure marked is C, maxillary sinus. Next question, identify the name of this X-ray shown in the given. The answer is Waters view. This asked many times in previous year exams, but it didn't ask in December FMG, so it can be asked in June also. So be prepared for upcoming exam. Next question, which of the following is the most common crow of neonatal and pediatric inspiratory studer? Is A, laryngomalacia. Next question, which of the following laryngeal muscle is the abductor of vocal cord? The answer is C, posterior cricoarytenoid. Next question, what is the exact anatomical location of Killian's dehiscence? The answer is B, between thyropharyngeus and cricopharyngeus muscle fibers. This also asked many times in previous year questions but not in the December FMG. So it can asked in future exam. Next question, a 4-year-old child has a respiratory distress fever, inspiratory studer, X-ray, neck, lateral view, shows thumb sign on neck. Causing organism is B, Streptococcus pneumonia, which is acute epiglottitis. Thumbprint sign is seen in the X-ray.